Bots are an incredible way to automate tasks in your Discord server. From sending welcome messages to hosting trivia nights, bots can handle it all. But how do you actually add them to your server? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to add bots to your Discord server, interact with them, and even remove them if needed, all without needing to write a single line of code. By the end of this video, you'll be in full control of your server's bots. And don't worry, no bots were harmed in the making of this tutorial. All right, now let's get into how to actually add bots to your Discord server. We're gonna start with the desktop method. For this, you'll be using a website called TopGG, which is the most popular place to find bots for all kinds of tasks. Go to TopGG and you'll see a search bar at the top. Let's say you wanna add a bot that helps moderate your server. You can either search for it directly, or if you're not sure what you need, you can browse through categories like role management, music, or gaming. Once you found the bot, you wanna click the invite button. You'll be prompted to sign in with your Discord account. The process is similar to inviting a friend to join your server, but this friend works 24/7. After logging in, Discord will ask which server you want to add the bot to. You'll see a list of all your servers. Just pick the one where you want to add the bot to work with, click continue. Now, this is where you can control what the bot can do in your server. Does it need permissions to send messages, assign roles, or manage chats? You decide how much access the bot gets. Once you selected the permissions, click authorize, and that's it. The bot is ready to work. Now, hop onto your Discord app and head to the server where you added the bot. You should see the welcome message from the bot confirming it's been added successfully. To see what commands it can respond to, click on the bot's name in the member list. Let's switch to mobile now. Adding bots on your phone is just as easy as it is on desktop. Whether you're using iPhone or Android, all the steps are the same. The difference is that this time you'll tap instead of clicking. Now that the bot is in your server, let's talk about interacting with it. Bots can automatically perform tasks, but you can also issue commands to them directly. To start interacting with the bot, click on its name in the member list to open its profile. Here, you'll find a list of commands the bot can respond to, like /play to play music or /poll to create a poll. The commands will vary depending on the bot you just added. To use the command, just type the / button in the chat, and Discord will give you a list of commands the bot can respond to. Select the command you want, type it in, and hit enter. The bot will handle the rest. Now, what if you want to remove a bot from your server? Don't worry, removing a bot is just as easy as adding one, and no hard feelings on the bot side. It's all just code. In the server chat, type /kick followed by the bot's name. Discord will pull up a list of the options, select the bot you want to remove, and hit enter. Once you hit enter, the bot will be removed from the server. But hey, if you change your mind, you can always invite the bot back later. Bots can automate a lot of tasks inside your Discord server, but if you really want to unlock the full potential of Discord, you can use Zapier to connect your server with thousands of other apps. With Zapier, you can automatically post YouTube videos in the server, send reminders from Google Calendar, or even share your latest Instagram post. We've added links to some of the pre-built Zaps in the description below, so you can start automating right away and take your server to the next level. And that's it. Now you know how to add, manage, and even remove bots in your Discord server, whether you're on desktop or mobile. What bots are you excited to try out? Let me know in the comments. And if this video helped out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more automation tips and tricks. See you in the next one.